Let us start. We will be starting. मेरे हाउस से कंपटीशन स्टार्ट होगी. Keep quiet all of you. All the houses. Okay. अब थर्ड राउंड जो है वो स्लोगन राउंड है. सबसे पहले आपको फेवर में स्लोगन बोलते जाना है. आपका स्लोगन जितना इंप्रेसिव लगेगा, जितना पावरफुल लगेगा, जितना स्टाइल से और जितने जोरदार इमोशन से आप बोलेंगे, आपको उतना ज्यादा पॉइंट्स मिलेगा. आपको 2 मिनट का टाइम मिलेगा और उस 2 मिनट में आप चाहें तो अपने स्लोगन को हिंदी और छत्तीसगढ़ी का यूज करके एक्सप्लेन भी कर सकते हैं. वो आपके ऊपर है. एक्सप्लेन करना रिस्की हो सकता है. कहीं गलत एक्सप्लेन कर दिए तो मिलने वाला पॉइंट भी चला जाएगा. सो यू बी वेरी केयरफुल. अभी एक राउंड में जो फेवर वाला है सिर्फ फेवर वाला बोलेंगे, फिर वापस लिबर्टी हाउस से अगेंस्ट का स्लोगन स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो अगेंस्ट का स्लोगन बोलना रहेगा. ओके एवरीबॉडी? So candidates, are you ready? Yes, sir. Say audience, dream again me. Let's begin the roll. And here we go for the debate in Dream Again Me. And to present their slogan in the favor of the statement that social media is a new mode of knowledge for the students. Here goes the House of Equality, and the time starts now.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Omishra. I am from Favor Group, and my slogan is social media is the platform where one message saves the world. Thank you.
Good slogan, sustained. Now the House of Fraternity, to present your slogan, your time starts
Now.
Good morning, I am Ashika Reddy. I am from class 8. I am in the House of Fraternity. My slogan is I am from favor side of this topic. Learn with the world, grow with the community. Thank you.
good slogan. The House of Justice, to present your slogan, your time starts now.
Smart use of social media. Think small. Good morning, everyone. Smart use of social media brings smart result.
Okay, the House of Liberty, your time starts now.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Arna Daswal. I am studying class 4, and my house is Liberty. My topic is social media, a new mode of knowledge from students. Slogans are from classroom to timeline knowledge travel faster. Thank you.
Okay, very good. तीनों हाउसेस को 7 पॉइंट्स मिला है. लिबर्टी को 8 पॉइंट्स मिला है क्योंकि उन्होंने पोस्टर भी यूज किया है. 1 मार्क्स बोनस मिला है उनको. पोस्टर यूज किया है. ओके, नाउ we will invite the slogans against the statement. Now the House of Liberty, your time starts now.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shreya Sandel, and my slogan is social media teaches speed, not knowledge. Half knowledge is full dangerous. Social media is a shortcut to information, but shortcut is never lead to true information. Thank you.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. The House of Justice, your time for the slogan starts now.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Ranjay Swar. I am in the House of Justice, and I am saying slogan: don't trust every post, trust on your books. Thank you.
Very good. That's a very beautiful slogan. The House of Fraternity. The slogan time starts now.
Good morning everyone. I am Varsha Kashyap from Fraternity House. Today I say slogan: the more you scroll, the less you learn. Thank you.
The House of Equality. The time to present your slogan against the statement starts now.
I am from against group slogan. If you like for the screen, you forget to leave yourself. And
Better repeat your slogan.
if you like for the screen, you forget to live yourself.
Is it live or leave or like? करेक्ट करो भैया, प्रोनाउंसिएशन ठीक कराओ. कोई और बोलो स्लोगन को.
If you live for your screen, you forget to live for yourself.
ये वर्ड लाइव और लीव दोनों अलग अलग होते हैं ना बेटा, मीनिंग. तो यहाँ पर लाइव है. सो इज द स्लोगन. If you live for the screen, you forget to live for yourself. अगर आप स्क्रीन के लिए जीते हैं तो अपने लिए जीना भूल जाएंगे. यहाँ पर live है, live नहीं है. समझे तो लगवा? 5 marks मिलेगा आपको. That's all. Now we here come for the cross question round in this slogan round. अभी सभी ने फेवर में और अगेंस्ट में स्लोगन बोला है. अभी आप हर हाउसेस को चांस मिलेगा कि आप दूसरे हाउस वालों को उन्होंने जो स्लोगन कहा है उसके ऊपर क्रॉस क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं. क्योंकि मैं समझ सकता हूं कि अधिकांश ने नोट नहीं कर पाया होगा कि सामने वाले ने क्या बोला है. तो आप एक बार बस रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं सामने हाउस वाले से कि उन्होंने फेवर में या अगेंस्ट में क्या स्लोगन कहा था. लेकिन आपको सर्टेन होना पड़ेगा कि आप उनसे ही क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हैं. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि जस्टिस हाउस का स्लोगन सुन के लिबर्टी से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, माइनस मार्किंग हो जाएगी आपको. तो पहले आपको सर्टेन होना पड़ेगा कि आप किनसे क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? आर यू रेडी? सो ऑफ कोर्स वी विल स्टार्ट विद द हाउस ऑफ इक्वालिटी. The House of Equality, select your house and to ask the cross question on the slogan round. Your time starts now.
My question is to the House of Fraternity. Can you please repeat the slogan? Quote the word.
Learn with God, grow with community.
And एक और slogan होगा.
The more you scroll, the less you learn.
My question is,
अच्छा ध्यान रखेंगे ना, बाकी हाउस ऑब्जेक्ट कर सकते हैं जब ये आंसर देते रहेंगे, सीधा इंटरफेयर कर सकते हैं डायरेक्टली।
my question is, if we scroll any platform, just scrolling, we get knowledge and entertainment.
क्वेश्चन को भी और आंसर को भी इंटरफेयर कर सकते हैं।
We get knowledge and entertainment as well. How can you say that if we scroll for our purpose, which is fun, learning and education, we get distracted from our real life?
ओके, वैलिड क्वेश्चन।
Can you repeat once again?
In the slogan you said, the more you scroll, the more you get distracted like that. I want to say, how can you define how scrolling is the purpose of other criteria like education, things, fun and learning? How you get distracted from the life?
First of all, I would like to tell you what you are asking that is not completely accurate to the slogan.
Explain yourself, please. Explain करो मैं आपको।
You tell the slogan is the more you scroll, the less you learn. Means that slogan telling you about the learning of anything. But
Any interference from both the houses? Interference के bonus marks हैं। आप लोग सर माइक।
but you
If we interfere, can we get marks?
Yes, 2 marks for each interference. If it is valid.
What do you mean by scroll? You don't even mention any social media app.
scrolling, we scroll many things in Facebook and Instagram. I could close the In Facebook and Instagram there was Reels, and in Snapchat there was a Spotlight, and in YouTube there is Shorts. So don't interrupt with me. Understood?
So you don't mention it earlier. You don't mention it earlier.
I don't think that is not very good for you.
Any supplementary question?
Sir, the language and discipline he said was not proper.
It is a discipline.
His objection is sustained. The language was not decent. Okay, but still continue.
So my answer is that the more you scroll, the less you learn. Means if you scroll much, so it will distract your studies and overall communication with your parents. When you scroll anything that is entertaining, that you apply on your personal life or society. Like when you scroll something that if you scroll abusing the reel, so you will abuse to your friend circle and any else. And when you see a motivational shorts or reel, you feel like I want to do like this, I cannot do like this, but you cannot do like this because motivation is not always with you.
I am not targeting any kind of subject like motivation or
Okay, very good. May I have both of them? Okay, the house of fraternity. Now it's your turn to ask a cross question. Select your eyes and to ask a question, your time starts now.
I want to ask question for Liberty House. Can you repeat the slogan?
But
Both.
it is both.
social media teaches speed, not knowledge. Half knowledge is full dangerous.
Sir, now
His processing, his time is on. उनका टाइम है अभी 1 मिनट बाकी है अभी.
Hello. When social media teach speed, not knowledge. So how you can tell this? Because we have PW, Physics Wala, and YouTube. There is most of the educational channel which gives you a complete source of knowledge.
Valid question. क्वेश्चन ना बेटा, आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा है ना.
Audience, that the argument said by the Hans, it sounds attractive, but it will collapse under the practical reality, because most of the education you see, the educator you're talking about, the physics wala, maybe the next topper and all others that biologists, they just promote do promotion on social media and get support. Even though those educators says that do have proper classes, study from the textbook, and have a don't use mobile by study.
Any supplementary question or yes, Ankit, objection?
My objection to House of Liberty has been said, but now very correct. Every social media educational platform gets support is not a direct argument, but countering the statement that not every social media education platform gets support. Sometimes they get hate and not.
नहीं बेटा, थोड़ा और एक्यूरेट होइए. नवीन ने कहा कि
What is the main key point you are saying that I said wrong?
अभी उनका ऑब्जेक्शन वैलिड नहीं हुआ है. आपको और एक्यूरेट होना पड़ेगा. नवीन का स्टेटमेंट बहुत वैलिड है. उन्होंने कुछ और कहा है. उन्होंने कहा है कि खुद वो प्लेटफॉर्म भी, फिजिक्स वाले भी यही प्रमोट करते हैं कि अच्छे से पढ़ो, फोकस करके पढ़ो. सोशल मीडिया में उनकी सिर्फ कुछ गिनी चुनी बातें हैं. इस पे ऑब्जेक्शन करना है आपको.
But how you are telling that PW and next of not your slogan is that social media teach half knowledge, but PW and next of teach you full knowledge.
Once
Sustained.
once again, please let me tell you that social media will give you bits and pieces, but not the depth. It will give you content, but not the comprehension.
Valid.
It gives you complete knowledge because you have online sample papers, PYQs, etc.
That doesn't come under the, like generally if we are talking about the question papers and all sample papers, you have to go on the online internet, and that doesn't come in the social media. Even in the social media I was saying that the recent trend has gone that by using the some apps.
For our debate purpose, all things whatever is available online or through internet, all are included under social media. Okay.
Let me hit the punchline, sir. So, like you see the, if you want the predictive question for the class test board, just follow me and comment the link. I will send you the DM. This is also in promotion. I can show you the every creators do that. And if it's talking about the educator, the ratio of entertainment to educator is less than 2% of the teaching teachers.
Valid.
Any further doubt?
Ask.
What you are telling that includes Watson University because you tell follow me and give the PDF from the, but if there is also the official web in Chrome, Google, etc.
But you are talking about the social media and you just gone on the social media's sample paper, and now you are like changing your statement to the internet and the search engine. But in the previous time, I also correct this statement that is not valid.
But listen. Sir, that you can include internet and social
And wait, you
please,
mentioned WhatsApp.
please.
WhatsApp is the messenger box. It is an linking communication software.
But it's a part of social media.
But there is AI also.
And
WhatsApp.
it is also included in social media.
There is AI in social media. Like you can see WhatsApp, there is a Meta AI. I think that is sufficient for you.
I want to say that the statement you are saying that is not that much valid, because you are proving yourself that you are going outside of the major things. Even if we talk about WhatsApp, it is a messenger software application, and now recently it is having started, but the primary function of the WhatsApp is to exchange information.
Why you seeing the past? See the present now.
I didn't say, even I said, but I said the primary function of WhatsApp is to share the information.
But now this is changed now.
Show me the proof. Show me the proof.
I need proof. There are groups in WhatsApp also.
I need
So what? It is the community, na? Community.
So that community also teach you education.
Yes.
Tell me any group name. Just
Okay,
tell me any group name.
we were getting last time group.
That's a nice point. But we are talking about the global group. Even though we are the developing school.
Why you are asking global?
Ask the India only.
Yes, India only.
I guess you need to remember that yesterday on the when school is getting over, the OMSAN has the judge has already mentioned that even make it diverse, and you are at the end of the India. Then how can you then become a globalization?
I have also the global groups like we have also PW.
That doesn't come under global, because that is limited in India, not outside.
तीनों के लिए जोरदार ताली बजाएंगे बच्चों के लिए। That is really wonderful. बहुत अच्छी डिबेट हुई है। स्टार्टिंग में नवीन को पूरा 10 मिल गया था और फ्रेटर्निटी हाउस को अंश को 7 मिला हुआ था, बट अंश ने अपना परफॉर्मेंस बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव किया। उन्होंने 1 मार्क्स ऑलरेडी वहीं ले लिया और 2 मार्क्स यहाँ पर और एडवांटेज में लिया। 1 मार्क थोड़ा सा रिड्यूस हुआ और ये खुशी की बात है बच्चों की, आर्गुमेंट बहुत अच्छा है। ये ज़्यादा और बेहतर हो सकता था अगर इक्वालिटी हाउस से भी अगर बातें आती तो, बट इट्स फाइन, ऑल योर्स। Okay, so the House of Justice, it's your turn to ask a cross question. And to ask a question, your time starts now.
Sir, I have that cross question from the House of Fraternity that their statement was the more you scroll, less you learn. So if you scroll on an educational channel, so you will get only educational feed. So you can, if you scroll more, you will learn more. It will teaches you more.
Okay, very good question.
If you scroll in educational channel, so there is also a comedy videos of teachers and students.
That is just for mind fresh of students.
That I am telling you, that is for mind fresh.
Not to lose concentration.
It lose concentration because the teachers make the memes that is not good.
Yes, very good argument. Okay.
If you apply filter on if you apply filter on your feed, you will get more educational videos in your feed.
Objection, your both arguments are wasteful because YouTube is both search engine and social media app.
And it depends on person to person whether person is watching educational things and or comedy videos.
But do remember, na, you cannot deny the harmful elements in both the places. Okay, so you cannot go neutral. दोनों पे neutral नहीं जा सकते आप भी.
As you say, the more you scroll, less you learn, and if you scroll more in the educational channels, you will learn beyond your syllabus.
If you learn from educational channels, so what is the purpose of your textbooks, etc.?
And also, if you scroll educational channels and just gain knowledge beyond our syllabus, it is just knowledge. If we use it, if our mind can use it further in our development of life.
Let's be honest. Let's be honest. Let me speak.
Let me
I
first,
speak first. I speak.
let me first, please.
Okay, you can.
क्योंकि क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली इनसे है तो प्रायोरिटी बट आई विल कम टू यू
If you scroll more, that is also damage your health issues.
Let's be honest. Like whenever a students open YouTube, they don't verify anything and they just consume whatever appears first. Like taking an example and the real fact that whenever a student opens YouTube, so he goes on the doubt solving whether he has doubt on anything, curiosity. Then what happens? One recommended video, one notification, and one indelible trail, and the student fall into the digital whirlpool of endless scrolling. Instead of studying 1 hour, they waste their 3 hours. This is not an education. This is an academic destruction.
Objection.
Objection, I also.
I am saying first. So,
I am helping you.
so if your field is only about study, if you only see study, so why your field that become entertainment?
If the
listen his question also maybe the same question will be asking then you answer
So how you are telling you have one notification and one recommendation? You can also have focus mode in your mobiles.
But what is the main question? Because if it is a guidance platform, then it should guide the student, not depend on the teenager to control their own distraction.
It also damage our eyes, so there is eye protection mode in phone, and there are glasses also specs.
1 second, I don't tell about the eyes. I tell about the health issues, not eyes.
eyes is part of the air sense
You lose the logic.
But no, that is not tell by me. That is your
last 30 seconds anything
Sir, I want to ask one question. Can you please explain if use of social media depends on person to person, how can a person educate two roles?
Objection. You don't define the term school, by the way.
I have defined.
you have not defined
Huh?
scroll क्या है वो अभी इन्होंने पूछा है आपने अभी तक बताया है
Is scroll.
You don't know what you have said.
I
Once can you please describe if social media users is addicted so much to scrolling, how can he prevent it?
your question.
पहले आप ये बताइए कि स्क्रोल क्या है उसके बाद आप उनके क्वेश्चन के आंसर दीजिए दोनों सब नहीं पूछ रही है
Scroll means seeing something for your purpose of educational, entertainment, etc.
not accurate yes that's what I said not accurate yeah done
your answer is your question is very easy because in Instagram, Snap, and WhatsApp, and every social media app, there is the option of sharing. Yes. So if you have friends in Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat, so you can share the reel which you are watching, and that can affect anybody.
Sir, not actually answer because I asked how can a person educate social media scrolling can read of that.
Okay, that's all. We need to move forward.
There is parental control mode in digital well-being in the phone settings. So where you can adjust your speed and your parents can also see that.
Okay, thank you. Sit down, all of you. But no matter how many filters or controls or prohibitions you put, social media always finds a way to allure you, लालच दिलाने का और objectionable content लाने का तरीका ढूंढ लेता है. ठीक है, चाहे वो किसी एप्लीकेशन के एडवर्टाइजमेंट में हो या कैसे भी हो, पैरेंटल कंट्रोल भी बहुत काम नहीं आता है. Okay, so we will move forward. The House of Liberty. Now you have the chance to ask a cross question, and you ask a cross question. Your time starts now.